At PSIT Kanpur, research, innovation, and entrepreneurship are at the core of academic excellence. The institute nurtures curiosity through hands-on workshop, collaborative projects, and structured mentorship that turns ideas into real-world impact. With international conferences, faculty development programs including Atal FDPs with AICTE and Atal Academy, and over 150 value-added courses, PSIT builds a culture of lifelong learning. Partnership with IIT Kanpur, Wipro, Infosys, and other leading organizations bring unmatched global exposure. It's a matter of pride that PSIT is Uttar Pradesh's first private institute to receive simultaneous research grants from DRDO, AICTE, and UPCST, recognizing its excellence in innovation. These include DRDO's grant for hosting AICTE 2025, an AICTE-funded FDP on blockchain, and a UPCST project on NFT-based grade cards under National Education Policy. Backed by 11 funded projects worth Rs 11 crores and 5.8 crores in grants from DST, MSME, AICTE, and UPCST, PSIT leads with impact. Its IPR cell features 180 published and 45 granted patents, 355 journals, conference papers, and 31 books in reputed publications. Recognized as a research center in computer science and engineering under AICTE, PSIT continues to advance knowledge with 101 MOUs, 26 startups, 191 PhD holders, and 37 active clubs, driving innovation every day. At PSIT Kanpur, research doesn't stay on paper. It shapes technology, drives sustainability, and creates change that truly matters.